Oh, well, hi everyone. Welcome to my garage. I'm doing a little work this time for my son Ian. He's got a couple of dance studios in Snohomish and Lake Stevens, and I'm building some changing rooms for the kids. I'll show you more of that next week. It's been a little hectic lately. I have not been able to go to our last train meeting for the season. However, I do have some footage that I'd like to show you from that. Richard and Evelyn Wolf were the hosts for this month's train meeting. They live in the banana belt of Washington State. Anyone who's here should know where that's at. Anyway, I better get back to work on these, so I'm going to let you go. You enjoy the video. It might be a little long, but there's a bunch of different things in it. There's Richard's video that he gave to me to put in here, and then there's also some other shots and photos that some of the club members took.
The train is about to leave the station. All aboard.
Oh, look, here comes Elizabeth and Bob's Napa Valley wine train. Here comes a good one. That's Tom and Judy's little Rio rail bus. No need to slow down for us, Tom. We're not getting on board. Oh, look there. Ed brought his RDC. What year rail bus is that, Ed? I'm not sure whose little Canadian Pacific that is. I wonder if they're hauling coal out of Point Roberts. All right, I'll shut up and let you watch trains for a while.
Different yard, same different holes, you know.
Yes.
We framed our house in Nebraska. We never know.
Hey, there's Ed. Hi, Ed. Judy. Hi, Judy.
So we thumbed through the book to see what we did next. And we put the silk plate down, insulated underneath, going back to the book again.
Hey, Chuck, you're in the photo. Put down your cell phone and get out of the picture, Chuck.
Get the point of putting up the front. Never had any.
Because a lot of times the inspector knows that you're doing it yourself. So my experience.
It was way long ago. You're right. She told my second in there. I like
The
to hear her
office in
sign
PA.
that.
The only problem.
Lady these days, girl.
No, that I think that's Tom Briggs. Yeah, that's the only train we have, other than a bunch of others. One of these years, if we ever get around, we'll build a bigger garage. Cars.
We came to the
Then you take
meeting.
the garage and convert it to a house. Set up that even if it's not a more than the basement.
Yeah.
Neat looking train.
Yes, it is.
And the last one, our daughter came in.
Are you a member of that?
I was. Yeah.
Time to read.
Hey, Shady Bay, that's Bill Thurston's train. I hear the people on the last car get a little rowdy though. They've had a few too many and they're playing instruments, I think.
Yeah. Oh, he's going to send me down there.
Oh, good.
Final call, passengers going to Indianapolis and Lafayette. Please check your plane, your bags. Proceed up the escalator to the Canal Street entrance for your charter bus to your destination. Also,
So that was the end of Richard's video. He did a wonderful job, and I've got to learn some of the tricks he used on that. I'm not sure what program he uses to edit. I want to throw in some photos here that some of the club members took. It's beautiful scenery. Then I'll come back at the end of those and say goodbye. We want to shout out a big thanks to Richard and Evelyn Wolf for a great meeting and all the videos and photos, and we hope to see you again soon. It was a good meeting all in all. They had about 30 people there this time. So we'll carry on. Thanks, and see you down the rails. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe.